That's nice, isn't it? That's the right colour as well.
What is that?
A Camaro. Very nice indeed.
Only a two-seater.
2+2. This is mad. We're doing 70, and that RV towing a trailer.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh my God! Look, they've been in
Yeah. They're doing over 70.
Yeah, that's got to be wrong because if he
Well,
suddenly
it's legal.
brakes,
It's legal over here.
is it?
Yeah.
If he suddenly brakes,
Got the speed limit 70, so
well, is it that going? No, it's actually
probably not. It's a big thing.
It's quite.
Look at this. Look at this. We've got
the red
Camaro
one
and a
yeah. Oh, they might racing
a
each
Stingray.
other. You're not going to let that red one out?
How good is
That
that?
red one's going to go to one side of the lorry.
And guess what? It's coming past now. I'm going to come out here.
Right.
We've got a Camaro in front.
Yeah.
We've just had that thing overtake with two things on the trailer.
Yeah.
We've got a Corvette down there.
Yeah.
And we've got a Cybertruck coming past now.
Wow. Oh.
I'll tell you what. That's a cool collection of cars. And then an F250 pickup truck. How cool was that lot?
Amazing. I suppose Sunday they're off out for a little jolly.
Just go and revisit them.
I'm surprised that yellow car hasn't got into the.
I know, it's a lovely car. I
outside
love the wheels on it. It's very nice all around, that
nice,
is.
isn't it?
Yeah, beautiful. And we got these two off-road beasts on the back of there. He must be doing about 5 miles to the gallon in that thing.
You have to go that way.
Yeah, he's determined, that guy, to undertake the Cybertruck.
Yeah.
And that Cybertruck a weird looking thing from behind.
Weird. I don't like them. And
they're kind of
it's not a clear window, is it?
you can't see out the back there.
So you have to use your mirrors all the time.
No, but I presume it's got cameras.
Oh.
I would imagine.